see the city at this time. Is that a plow right? Oh,
Yo, I just woke up. Mind you, I live in Louisiana, South Louisiana. Look at this. There's a fucking blizzard going on. What the? It is a blizzard going on. In Southeast Louisiana. Look at this. A whole blizzard. Damn. Oh, wow. Oh my God! Wow! Literally, it's like at least 2 inches of snow on the ground. And we're supposed to be getting this all day. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm never up this early. Never up this early. Not going back to sleep because it ain't snowed here since 2017. That was the last time it snowed, I remember. It's been about 8 years. Again, we do not see this. Like along the Gulf Coast. They say we literally under, like, some parts of our state under a blizzard warning. This is Louisiana, people. Louisiana. Not New York. It's giving Colorado. It's giving New York. It's giving Minnesota and up to Delaware. It's giving Chicago. That's where it's giving it right now. It's not giving Louisiana.
2 hours later.
But I've never seen it snow this heavy before. I don't think last time it snowed this heavy. Yeah. There is so much. There's way more snow than we even seen the last time. And we still got hours of this shit left. Levee. The levee is white. This is crazy because snow all in my back. It tastes like ice cream. I'm just playing. I want to make a snow angel. Come in. Oh. Let's go up the levee. Let's go walk up the levee. Shit. Oh my God. There's literally so much snow. Shopping and fell in the ditch.
A few moments later.
Bitch for me, hey, oh. Blizzard. I'ma make it. Fuck, feel like climbing a damn mountain. Oh my God, look at. Oh shit. Fuck, yeah, it's so fucking windy. Oh my God. Shit. Oh my God. Hell no. Mind you, we don't own snow plows, any snow plows. We don't have no snow plows, no salt trucks. We don't have this. Like, so the snow that's accumulated on the road is just gonna stay there. Like, cause we in South Louisiana, we don't see this shit. So I can't stand when I be seeing northerners be saying this ain't nothing. We see this every day, and y'all in the north, up north, y'all is up north. We don't see this ever. They calling this historic snowstorm for South Louisiana. Like I think we could get up to 10 inches. And it was like 2 hours later, and it's like 7 inches of snow on the ground now. But we have no. Mind you, again, we have no snow plows, no salt trucks, none of that. So the shit that fall on the ground is gonna stay there. It's so damn cold and windy. I don't even, people ain't even outside playing in the snow. They had a few people just now. So y'all know they're gonna stop clocking us because we don't see this shit. It's like, oh, I see this every day. The 6-7 inches of snow, that ain't shit for, yeah, that's not shit for y'all. We don't see this often at all. We never, we don't see this. We don't own snow trucks, snow plows, because that'd be a waste of money in Louisiana because we don't ever see this shit ever. Whenever we do, it's usually ice. Usually ice, maybe with a few flakes mixed in, and the shit that fall is gone the next day because we're gonna be back up to 67 degrees. Tonight is gonna be 11 degrees here. 11. That's like a record break. They say that's like a low temperature for like this part of Louisiana, and the snow still just coming down heavy. This is foreign to us. We don't see this. Y'all from Minnesota, Chicago, y'all see this. We put it show every winter. We can go years and years and years without seeing a flake fall from out of the sky in Louisiana. And we in snow since 2017, and they come back. The first flake we get, it's like 10 inches of snow. And that's just what they assuming. We got snow. It's, what is it? 10:56. And this snow ain't supposed to stop till damn near 5 o'clock this evening. And we already, they just predicted 10. You can go higher than that. And we under a blizzard warning too. A blizzard in South Louisiana. Where you hear that at? People on TikTok talking about we need to calm down because this ain't really nothing. Y'all see this every winter. Y'all see this every winter. We don't see. We go years. New Orleans, literally the last time it snowed in New Orleans was like 20 years ago. Like, be so for real. And they come back to this, a whole blizzard going on outside. I ain't never seen this shit, like, ever. Even when it snowed the last time, it was not this much. And I thought that was a lot. And we were just 3 inches. This time, this is crazy. Look at this. I'm pretty sure y'all don't give a damn, but y'all northerners up there, like, y'all see this. But y'all see this every day. Y'all is accustomed and equipped to this with this shit. We never see this. The second time I've seen snow in my entire 18 years of living. I love snow. I like it. But damn, it's cold outside. Looks so pretty. But that car gonna stay parked until the next couple of days. Because these motherfuckers barely know how to drive in the sun. They barely know how to drive in the sun. They can't drive in the rain. You know about snow. We don't see this crazy. Like, to the snow vlog short, just vlog just because it's snowing and we haven't seen. This is a historic storm and I want to vlog about it, especially because I'm going to be a weatherman one day. This is crazy. Look at the orange tree. Our oranges are going to die. It was so good and juicy, so juicy. But our flowers, look at that. Look at that whole blizzard going on over there. It is windy out here. And we seeing this all day. All day, all day, all day, all night, every night. This is crazy. For South Louisiana, this shit look like Colorado, New York, Minnesota. Nope. South Louisiana.